Hi, hello everyone. Let us see how we traded today on 3rd August. So as usual, first I'll be opening all the trades which we planned for today. So let me open the chart. Sorry, let me open the stocks. If you see, we planned all the 8 stocks on sell side, which means we want the market to go up, or at least the prices of all these stocks should go up so that we can short. Out of all this, we missed entry in McDowell's just by few rupees, and we got entry in Jeel. We got entry in Jindal at the end of the market, so no entry. We got entry in Kotak, and we also got entry in Emphasis. Let us quickly see each of these stocks one by one. First, I'll open with McDonald's. So let me show you all the charts on trading view. First, we'll start with the McDowell's. We plan this trade on 15 minutes, so I'm going on to the 15 minutes. Let me turn off the standard pivot points. So this is what we planned. There were two supplies in McDowell's. I wanted to go short from the above level. See, there were two levels. What happened? It just broke the first level, and from there it started falling down. Actually, I planned the short from the above level. Or what we do, we normally try to enter in between. So we can say this as no entry. We missed the entry in this trade, but it has given good return from where we have planned approximately. Now we'll go to Gujarat Gas. There is no entry at all because we wanted to short this. It already gapped down and there is no entry at all. Voltas, see, there is a small mistake in Voltas. Let me open Voltas chart here. See, basically Voltas is not a sell trade. This is long trade. Even you can see the entries and all. We want to enter around 940, and below 940 we wanted to take stop loss, and above 790, around 799 we wanted to go long. So this is a long trade. By mistake I put it as sell. By looking at the values you can tell this is a long trade. We wanted to go long here. We didn't get entry in Voltas as well. In Petronet also we didn't get any entry. Now let's talk about the Zeal. So Zeal, in the first candle itself it has given entry, and it has given almost 1:2 trade. So if you see, let me remove this. Let me apply short position here. This is a short position. So I am just marking these levels here. So let me remove this. Let me try to apply this one more time. This is where we wanted to go short, and it has given this much of target. And the stop loss we planned was almost little above the supply. And here if you see the risk to reward, this is more than 1:1.5. If I calculate this properly, this is like close to 1:2. But I'll consider this as 1:1, because what we do when the trade is giving, like if you are risking 1,000 rupees from here, and if it is giving you 1,000 rupees, what we do first, we'll bring the SL to buy cost, and when it go close to 1:2, we'll move our SL to 1:1. So in case if there is any reversal, we'll be booking our profit at 1:1. So though this has given like very close to 1:2, I'm considering this just as 1:1. After that, Jeel, see, Jeel has given entry almost in the last candle, so we consider this as no entry. And Emphasis, we planned 1:2.3 trade. We got entry, and even it has given target very quickly. So this is more than 1:2 trade. Kotak Bank. So Kotak Bank, if you see, though these are looking like very small candles, let me show you how much return it has given. If you remember, we planned this with very small stop loss, and you can see the kind of return it has given. This has given almost close to 1:4, which means if you are risking 1,000 rupees, definitely should have made almost 4,000. Let's consider this as 1:3 trade. Now let us summarize all the stocks and see what will be the profit or loss for today. So we missed entry in McDowell just by 2 rupees. We'll leave it. And in Zeal, we got entry. We though we got close to 1:2, I'm taking into consideration with the people who are trailing stop loss and the stop loss hit while the price is coming back. So I'll consider this as only 1:1 trade. Let me take this. So in this 1:1, which means you though this gave like close to 2000 profit, I'll make it just only 1000. And in Zindal, there was no entry. And in emphasis, this has given more than 1:2. So I'm making it 2000 profit. And in Kotak Bank, this has given almost 1:4. Even if I just consider only 1:2 also, just see how much less I'm taking. With 1000 rupees risk per trade, definitely should have made more than 5000 today. If you see, this is not happening one day. If you watch all the previous videos, these kind of trade plans for the next day, it's been more than 2 months. We are planning every day trades for the next day, and every day consistently we are making profits. Not even one single day we have seen where all these trades altogether has given loss. So that is the kind of trades we are taking in for intraday. Now let us quickly take a look on the indices, how we traded on index. So in index, if you remember, we are very clear about the direction. So we were so clear. Yesterday itself, we wanted the price to pull back so that we can plan some bearish trades. And this is where I asked everyone to enter bear put spread, if one for monthly and one for weekly, because we know this will act like a resistance. Today, I didn't give any put or call, but I have simply given a proper level. It opened somewhere here, it went exact to the area, and from there it came down. Even when the price was trading here, I have very clearly said to go long only above 19,550 and to go short below the below 19,420. If anyone have entered put below 420, should have definitely made very nice profit in Nifty. It is very clear and very simple. Same thing in Bank Nifty as well. So in Bank Nifty also, we plan the same thing, and same thing has been shared in Telegram channel. So what we plan, we wanted to go long only above 45,050 somewhere, and we wanted to go short below previous day low. As planned, exactly below previous day low, there was like huge fall. Not only that, if you remember, I have applied some pivot points and I said clearly there is a chance from here market can go till this point. It went even much below, and from there we have seen a small bounce. So that is how we traded in Nifty today. It was very clear. Now let us see what will be the levels for tomorrow. So now we'll see what will be the levels for tomorrow. Let me remove these levels and we'll see what will be the levels for tomorrow. So I'll go to the 5 minutes chart, and I have some good levels in 5 minutes. So we will be planning these levels for tomorrow. First, let me mark some demand area. We wanted to go, if the price come here, we will go long, and if the price go below today's low, that is where we look to go short. And while going on the top side, this is the supply area which we have around this level. So we'll mark this drop based drop, and if the price go there, we'll definitely look to short, and this will be our demand area. In case if there is any huge up move or something, let me also mark one more supply zone little bit above. So this is another level which we want to short here. So it is very simple. If the let's see where the market will open tomorrow. In case if it open anywhere in between these zones, if it come to the demand zone, we'll look to go long. If it go to the supply zone, we'll be shorting. Above the supply area, we'll look to go long for the bigger target. And below previous low, we'll definitely look to short in Bank Nifty. So that's it about Bank Nifty. Now let us take a look on Nifty chart. Nifty also. First, let me remove this. As usual, I'll be marking previous low around this area. So for tomorrow, I wanted to mark one supply area on 5 minutes. So if the price come till 19,467.68 area, this is where we'll be shorting in Nifty. And in the same way, if it give chance, we wanted to go long from this area. This will be the levels for Nifty for tomorrow. Around 19,320. If you get chance, we'll look to go long. Below previous low, we'll go short. And if it go till 19,467, we'll short. Above this, again, we'll go long. That's it about Nifty, Bank Nifty levels for tomorrow. I'll be posting the charts for intraday tomorrow morning before the market. Keep watch on Telegram. People who are newly watching this channel, you can find the Telegram channel link in the description. Please, you may join there for live market updates. Thank you so much for watching.